towards the reviewing officer, AIG Adegoke Fayoade, MNI. So respectfully seek permission for the commencement of today's parade.
Of 6 guard commanders, 12 sub-guard commanders, 210 recruit constables, commanded by Superintendent of Police, SP Adisa Oloruntola, red form, ready for your inspection, sir!
The reviewing officer has granted
presence of Commissioner of Police, Lagos State Command, CP Olawale. Also we have DCP Oko-Jumbo representing CP Records Command. We have DCP Kayode Egbetokun, Commandant Police Training School, Ikeja. The reviewing officer right now
on the special purpose vehicle. The completion of the inspection will give way for the parade to commence in slow and quick order.
Guard 1 giving the salute to the reviewing officer. Guard 1 being commanded by DSP Osman Shuaibu, who joined the Nigerian Police Force 2018 and has served in Ekiti State Command before being deployed to the Police College, Ikeja, in 2020 as a drill instructor. Next is Guard 2, marching right in front of the reviewing officer, being commanded by ASP Akinola Opeyemi. Born in 2001, he is from Ikeja local government area of Lagos State. He is a very gallant drill instructor. Coming next is Guard 3, all-female guard. All-female guard, being commanded by ASP Zainab Yahaya. Guard 3 marching right past the reviewing officer. Closely following is Guard 4, also an all-female guard, Guard 4, ably commanded by ASP Dorcas Alamu. 5 is being commanded by ASP Olumide Samuel, and Guard 6 by ASP.
The one training institutions. And a total of 17 states sent their candidates to the premier police college in the country, Police College Ikeja, for their training. Like I read out earlier, I will do that again. Cross River, Delta, Ebonyi, Ekiti, Enugu, Imo, Lagos, Ondo, Osun, Oyo, and Rivers State sending their candidates here for their training. Police College. Approaching the reviewing officer is the parade commander SP Adegoke Fayoade, closely being followed by Guard 1, being commanded by DSP Usman Shuaibu. Quick march. Next is Guard 2, being commanded by SP Omolara, marching right before the reviewing officer. And comes Guard 3, my favorite part, the all-female guard, led by ASP Zainab Yahaya. Guard 4 next, also an all-female guard, being commanded by ASP Dr. Alamu.
Headquarters Abuja, CP Afegwa, we thank you for putting in lots of effort to make this a success. Colonel Bello representing the Brigade Commander, 9th Brigade Nigerian Army, we thank you very much for gracing today's occasion. Of course, we cannot forget to thank Mr. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, being represented here today by the SSG, Mrs. Abimbola Salo-Hude. Thank you for always keeping faith with us, for always supporting us, especially the recruits of Lagos State origin here today. Thank you very much, ma'am. And for friends, families, and well-wishers, we thank you for your support. We thank you for giving these young ones the support, the much-needed support to serve their fatherland. Thank you very much. We look forward to seeing you during the next passing out parade. Freshly minted police constables. These ones are eager, brimming with energy to join their colleagues out there to police our society with a human face. You can see the all-female guard passing right in front of the reviewing officer now. Very young, vibrant female officers. Followed by another female guard marching past. The Nigerian Police Force is proud to be gender sensitive, to embrace gender mainstreaming. 1,030 police constables passing out from the police college Ikeja on this auspicious day. Same way that colleagues from other police training institutions across the country are passing out at this exact moment. A total of 10,000 constables are passing out across the country today. And they are to be immediately injected into the society to contribute towards enhancing safety and security. Approaching the reviewing officer is yet another female guard, comprising very young and vibrant female officers. Yet another female guard.
I say my warmest congratulations once again to all the new constables and their families as you begin your distinguished service to our great nation, Nigeria. I invoke God's divine protection, guidance, and blessing upon you. May your selfless dedication and commitment to our country's safety and prosperity be richly rewarded. Thank you, and God bless you all. Ashimu Arugungu, CP Olarewaju Ishola PSC, MNIPS, Commissioner of Police Lagos State Command, CP Omolara Oloruntola PSC, Commandant Police College Ikeja, all other commissioners of police here present, commanders of sister security agencies here present, other senior police officers here present, Chief Tajuddin Abisogun, the Ojon of Lagos, ably representing the Oba of Lagos, Obariliwa and Akiolu, and other white cap chiefs. Distinguished invited guests, family, friends, and well-wishers here present, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. AIG Adegoke Fayoade, MNIPSC, AIG Zone 2 Lagos. I'm representing the Inspector General of Police. Permit me to read the IG speech as it's presented. Speech delivered by the Inspector General of Police, IGP Kayode Egbetokun, MPM, PhD, at the passing out parade ceremony of 10,000 police constables of 2022 batch held at 4 police colleges and 12 police training schools across the country on Thursday, January 23rd, 2025. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to this passing out parade ceremony of 10,000 new police constables of the 2022 batch of the Nigerian Police Force recruitment scheme. Today's occasion marks a significant milestone in the Nigerian Police. This event, taking place concurrently at premier colleges and 12 police training schools nationwide, marks the culmination of 6 months rigorous training program that has pushed the recruits to their physical and intellectual limits. Today's personal parade signifies a pivotal transition for these individuals as they formally assume their role as professional police officers, leaving their civilian status behind and embarking on a career of service and duty. In the course of their training, we have instilled in these recruits the necessary orientation to effectively address the complex security challenges facing our nation, while adhering to the principle of law. Our comprehensive and research-based curriculum has equipped them with fundamental policing ethics, norms, and practice, as well as modern law enforcement principles. We have high expectations for this graduating class of constables, and we are confident that they will uphold the values imparted to them during their training, thereby contributing to the enhancement of law enforcement in our country. The successful completion of this recruits training and today's graduation ceremony marks a significant milestone and a major step forward for the federal government. Under the leadership of His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, this achievement demonstrates the government commitment to the Nigerian Police Force by addressing the long-standing manpower deficit. The President's approval for the annual recruitment of 30,000 police constables over the next few years is expected to strengthen our internal security, enhance police performance, and promote optimal police service delivery nationwide.